There he is. It's wet and mild out there this evening. That means I'm going across to the green with my head torch, bait box, and I'm going to snatch some worms. Would you like to come, Dilwyn? Would you like to come? Come on then. Come on, come and say hello to your fans. Come on. Okay. You can stay there and say hello to your fans. Say hello. Let's go. There's a couple to start the session off with. I've been here just a couple of minutes so far, and I've already got a few nice juicy worms there. What you do is you put your head torch on, keep low to the ground, and you will see a lot of them disappear instantly, but occasionally one or two will lie there with maybe half their bodies outside the burrows just for a brief second so that you can snatch them. There's one, and I didn't get that. See if I can get one for the camera. Ah, there you go. Yep. Ah. Oh no. Almost had a tug of war there. You often see blackbirds doing that. Having a little tug at a worm. One's fighting for its breakfast and the other one's fighting for its life. Oh, another one disappeared there. Saw that shoot down. That was well out the burrow on that occasion. Oh, another one there. You do find more often than not that they will disappear, but as I've said, like there. No, yes, like there. Be quick and you'll get one. Oh, that one has escaped. I had a firm grip on it, but they are slippery customers. I've got another. Oh, I did have another one on. Got a few there. Be okay for the morning. I'll see you at the water's edge.